sunset, where my body screams when it looks at you. Every night I dream that you possess me, and I wake up burning with your light. In my thoughts you are my master. You hold me captive without touching me. I am your prisoner in this endeavor to make you mine without confessing. I want to be your sweetest sin, your obsession that you can't silence, to seduce you between white sheets until you tremble inside. My lips hold burning secrets that only your mouth can decipher. I feel your breath on nights when you're gone, and my skin tingles without your gaze. I have no shame in telling you that you are my most forbidden vice. I wanna silently please you, to be your woman without being forgotten. I want to be your sweetest sin, your obsession that you can't silence, between white sheets to seduce you until you tremble inside. In the dim light of my bedroom, I imagine you upon my skin. Each caress awakens in me this cruel desire. I want to be your sweetest sin, your obsession you cannot silence, between white sheets to seduce you until you tremble inside. I confess my naked truth to you. I am yours even if you don't know it. With each sigh I am undressed, this passion that drives me to